I'm so excited to see inside the man cave.
Let me show you. Let's go.
So Joseph, what made you decide to get this shed?
I wanted to just find like the maximum size for like the best price. And for like 3 or 4 months, I was checking out all these different stores. I was checking all these places throughout Long Island, and then I found Chery.
Yes. Tell us, what are you using the metal shed for?
I wanted to use this shed as like recreation. I threw a pool table in there. I'm gonna run electric, and maybe throw some light solar panels on the top, and for pool, for some darts. Throw some Bluetooth speakers in there. It's just gonna be like an outdoor hangout in there.
Oh, really cool. I'm so excited to see inside the man cave.
Let me show you. Let's go. Work in progress, but take a look.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Joseph, on this. This is pretty cool.
Thank you. I'm very excited about it. It's very easy to set up. I used to have this table in my old living room, and I was always like, I had to worry about a lamp or a coffee table.
Yeah.
Now I got this whole, I feel like I'm in luxury, but I didn't have to pay that much money. I'm 6'1", and you can see like there's plenty of space, and I just love like this frame and how it's built like really strong, like bones. That's what I love about this shed. I don't know. It's so cool. You can put a car in here and then still have space around the sides.
You're really professional.
How was the setup process?
It was amazing how this giant shed could fit like in a wooden crate. It was amazing. It's like very easy of shipping. They dropped it off within the net, really stable, and for like the price point and the stability and the size, it just can't bang for your buck. Like, it's amazing.
What do you think about the value of the shed?
Well, I feel like it's just a tremendous bang for your buck because I have a 13 by 20 shed. It's massive.
Yeah.
It's just amazing at the price point. And like, I was just in here the other day playing pool, and there was a torrential downpour, and you hear the rain pounding on the roof, and just not a single drop came in.
Wow.
And it's amazing. Like, for the price point, I did a lot of research, and I'm just so satisfied, that I found this company. And
Did you have any challenges while purchasing the shed?
no, since I wasn't familiar with the company, there was a toll-free number on the website, so I called, and within 30 seconds, I spoke to a human that was very professional, nice, courteous, and it was seamless throughout the whole entire. And I actually got like a notification email when it was being shipped, and I got a confirmation phone call on the day it was being dropped off to confirm. Yeah, everything was
Pretty smooth.
very, very free. Yeah, from start to finish.
That's it.
Because even though it was only like a beautiful shed, it adds property value.